Hello Driving Intelligence community. Some time ago I posted a video about the junkyard tools I put together in a bag that includes everything I need to go get used parts from the junkyard. Well, I also asked in that video for commenters to tell me about a new bag I can get since this one's getting very holy. So I had a company that reached out to me and they asked me if I would review their product on my channel, and I'm going to show that the unboxing of that product and adding all my tools to it. It's considerably bigger, it's got a lot of pockets, and it's actually sealed, but it's definitely not as holy as this one. Stay tuned. Let's take a little closer look at it now that it's been unboxed. You can see that it's huge. I actually put the old tool bag in here. It's got some heavy-duty metal clasp with double stitching, heavy-duty stitching. It's got a heavy-duty zipper, side pockets that are Velcro closed. It's waterproof, and the bottom is heavy-duty plastic rubber. So I can definitely put a lot of tools in here and feel that they're secure. These are all the tools I had in my other bag, and that's quite a bit, which made it difficult to navigate within the bag. But I'm going to go ahead and reassemble this in this tool bag, starting with that little container. Now, if you recall from the other video, this thing was all rusty. I actually stripped it using electrolysis, and then I hit it with some Rust-Oleum, and I used the clear bra. You know, you can spray that clear bra paint on the front of a vehicle. It's peelable. I sprayed that on there so it wouldn't get all scratched up and start to rust again. Anyway, let's start to put this back together. Alright, so all my tools are in the bag, and then there's room, plenty of room left over for more. I put my impact driver in here, plenty of room for that, parts. The nice thing is I can also keep my phone in here without it getting lost. I had it rain on me once out in the yard, and I had to dive into one of the vehicles to make sure I didn't get wet, and make sure the tools didn't get wet. But with this is all sealed and waterproof. It's not going to be a problem. And then of course I've got this strap to carry it around on my shoulder, which makes it a lot easier to get through the junkyard. I'll definitely link this below in my description section of the video. You can get one of these off of Amazon, and stay tuned to Driving Intelligence for more product reviews.